How to add schema markup in WordPress website. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a free and open source content management system that allows users to create and manage websites with ease. And now to start adding a schema markup on WordPress website, all you need to do first is to simply go to wordpress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. After that, you will be directed in this dashboard where you can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options in here. And after that, to proceed, just simply go to the left side panel and click the plugins button since we're going to install an application or plugins. And to do that, just click add new plugin button in here. And after that, just simply go to the search bar on this new plugin and simply search the Rank Math SEO, in which that kind of plugins will help us to start adding a schema markup in our WordPress website. And upon searching Rank Math, it will show us in here the results. So can I install this one that has more than 3 million active installations. And after installing it, all you need to do is simply activate it. And after activating the plugins, you will be able to be directed on the page where it will show you the Rank Math SEO in here. Or you can simply click the Rank Math SEO in here and simply click the dashboard button. Upon doing so, you will be directed on this dashboard, and all you need to do from here is to simply scroll down until you find the schema option. So all you need to do is simply turn on the schema option in here. We have here the schema structure data. So make sure to turn on this one. And after that, to test this or to add a schema in our website, we can simply click or choose some of the posts in here of our website by simply clicking the post option on the left side panel in here. We can start adding or simply using this rank math SEO to start adding a schema in our WordPress website by clicking this post. It will show you all of the list of this post. And in this post, I'm just going to simply select this article post. By clicking this edit button, you will automatically be directed on the next tab in here where you can start editing this article post. And now to proceed, it will show you the button on the top right corner, which is this one right here. So kind of click on it, in which it is the rank math SEO. And to proceed, kind of click this icon right here on the right side panel, which is schema, and click article button, or you can simply edit it by clicking this one, in which on this pop-up window, all you need to do in here is to simply enter the headline for the schema builder and also the description about it. And aside from that, you can even add a keywords depending on your preferences or what kind of article post you want to add in here. Then select here article or blog post depending on what kind. And after that, from here it will show you, just click this schema generator button. And in here it will show you that we have here the option to choose either article, book, course, and many more. So just simply click this article and simply click the schema generator, and it will automatically add or generate a schema in our website in WordPress. But if you want to create here a multiple schema, you can now proceed by simply upgrading your account to pro version of their website or plugins. But overall, that is just basically how to add schema markup in WordPress website.